weekly report here for the Washington, D.C. Metro. This is for the week ending August 3rd, 2025. Mostly pretty much all the same as what's been recently. Showings are relatively low. New contracts are pretty low. Time to contract is going up. New listings, relatively flat. But ultimately much higher than they were a year ago. And a lot of properties are being canceled, mostly because they're not getting the price that they want. So things are definitely starting to sit out there a little bit longer still. And the tides are shifting a little bit. To go in a little more detail, weekly showings, not quite a 5-year low, but pretty darn close to it. Just not a lot of buyers out there really shopping right now. Similar to that, contracts are basically 5 years low. So, it takes more showings to get more contracts, and we're not looking too strong there. Median time to contract, 5-year highs, over a month. So half the homes are taking a month to sell. But the ones that are fixed up in good condition, priced well, they're still selling relatively quick. New listings hitting the market, not as bad as it has been recently. So that's actually starting to look a little bit promising there. Median list price, still higher than it has been last year, but the gap really is getting smaller and smaller here. I'm not anticipating much price growth for the rest of the year. And then active listings, 5-year highs, almost double what it's been the last couple of years. And properties are continuing to have some price drops out there. And if they're not dropping prices, they're getting canceled. A lot of properties out there getting canceled.